Okay, so we're back on the trail where I saw the bear. We're actually headed towards that pond, that mine pond, you know, the mine drainage pond, because we're going to climb it. We're going to see what's up there. We also might have some other spots to check out in the area. First thing we're going to do, hike 3 miles, and we're going to climb the mine drainage waterfall. So we'll see what's up there. That's Middlesboro. It's the airport. If you can see it. Cool view. There's the silos. Way down there.
Wow, they demolished that mountain.
Yeah, that's where that big dump truck was that I found. Alright, we're coming up on the pond now. Didn't take very long to hike 3.5 miles. It's the outflow. Bronco! Baby's right there.
Come here, buddy.
He's too fast.
I didn't bring frog food.
Grab him.
No.
Grab the frog.
You grab the frog.
So the question is, which one is orange?
Orange.
One could just be a stream, because that's an awful lot of water. You know what I mean? But that's more like a mine flow. And this one's much more established, like a natural stream, whereas that looks like haphazard washdown. This is orange, coming from up there too, so it's that way, definitely. See that?
Yeah.
It's not orange, it's just regular rock. So this part of the flow, it's just a hole. How does that work?
Root system?
Look, here's more. Straight up coming out of the ground. Yeah, that is it.
No.
No freaking way.
You better start digging.
That's a sinkhole.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that goes anywhere. Yeah, that's a sinkhole for sure, and that's orange mud. So what's this? I don't know what these are. I don't know. If it was a mine, it's like ancient.
Mm-hmm.
But unless it's a young cave, but caves don't really do the acid mine drainage. What if these aren't portals? What if this is just leakage from mines underneath the mountain? Water source is down right there. There's also red here, red up there. So when it rains, is it just exiting like a collapsed portion of a really old mine that we're standing on?
Just found its way.
Yeah.
Water does do that.
That's a lot of water from that little hole. And also this one. Kind of mysterious. Yeah, so the only thing we can figure right now is it's coming from an ancient set of mines underneath the mountain, and the water just found its way out. It's definitely mine water, but I'm pretty sure there's no entrances to a mine over there. And we would have seen something, you know. I mean, we see indentions, you know, where there are mines, like we've seen that before, but they've been in a row on the same level, and those were not. They were just like natural sinkholes. It looks like where the ground caved in because the water was flowing through it. Freaking mystery. Oh, I don't know. So we're headed to another mine. It's further up the mountain now that Kim found. Who knows, that could be it. That could be what's feeding that. If it goes back far enough. I don't know.
Is that a burial pit?
That's what I'm wondering. It might be where they buried Jim Bob Ray Earl.
You gonna dig a little bit?
The shale trail.
Works for me.
Yeah, it ain't too bad. Okay, so we had to get off the main trail to take this one to another main trail. We're almost there to the other main trail. But this trail quickly dissolved into a huge washout, as you can see. Okay, now we're back on trail, sorta. It's in pretty rough shape, but it's a little washed out. We're climbing though. Knew that was coming. We finally found the trail that goes to supposedly the Kimfind mine.
Blame it on me if it sucks.
Yeah, there may or may not be one, who knows, but I don't know, it's a pretty cool trail so far. Never been anywhere back in here, so it's all new to me. I just kind of wish I had a vending machine out here for
Yeah. Or a soda fountain.
Yeah.
Or a Slurpee machine.
Slurpee.
Or a soft cone server.
So we're at the spot, roughly the spot of the second mine. And we found a stream. And we're thinking if we stay with that, see where that goes, it may take us there. I don't know if it has anything to do with mining. It doesn't really look like it. I'd say no. None of this is steep enough to be a mine. There's no cliff or anything.
Where you at?
Yeah. We need a mine finding animal. Like a dog. Train them. So we looked at the overhead, like Google Maps satellite image, and we're looking for the cliff that the mines would go into. It's not over there. We're thinking it might be further down this trail. It's that cliff looking, it's the only cliff around. I mean, it's something, I don't know if it is a cliff, but it looks like rock. Spooky. It's just a rock slide. It's not a mine. Well, like a oasis. Usually we see a trail or something where they drove up to it. Conveyor belt, anything.
Dud.
Yeah. It's a weird one though, because we can't even find where they might have been. Alright, so we have no idea what happened with that one. We can't find any remnants of it. There's no concrete platforms, no conveyor belts, there's no roads that they would have, there's not even a cliff where a mine would have went into. So I don't know. That's a weird one. Guess there's nothing left. It's very unusual. Okay, so we took a left on the main trail that we were on. We keep going. It's going all the way to the top, it looks like. Might be some good views, I don't know. Main trail, big trail now. Should take us right past the big towers. Still climbing. Okay, we're still way up top. We're gonna be up top for a while. We're walking the ridge back. That old turn off right there goes to a bunch of towers. A bunch of like cell phone towers or whatever. I don't know. A whole lot of them. We are at the top. We're also out of water. Doesn't make much sense.
We have a little bit of ice. We're waiting for it to melt.
It's not like we didn't bring enough water. I brought 3 16-ounce bottles worth. She
I brought
brought
5 pounds.
5 pounds. I mean, come on, how much water can you carry? I guess I'm gonna have to start bringing the filter, the pump filter. This isn't the first time we've run out of water.
We have ice.
Yeah, if we find a stream, I'm gonna break out that life straw. I'm thirsty. But it's pretty. There's that. Many mountains. We're getting there. Bunch of mountains behind me, so they're pretty cool looking. Those tower masts over there to the left, you probably can't see them. Yeah, we've come a long ways.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's gorgeous.
Alright, so we're coming down off the top of the mountain. We're on a hardly ever used trail, trying to find the right way to go down. I think this is the one we want though. Really hoping this takes us close to the spring. I know there's a spring down here. Very thirsty. So good. Okay, really happy that we found the water. That was really great. There's a bomb silo. See those on strip mines a lot. We gotta follow this trail a little bit. This will intersect with R1. It goes down to the car. We're gonna be over 12 miles.
And it felt like it too.
Yeah, my feet hurt.
That was some technical hiking.
Yeah. Many mountains, much earth.
The mountains are even prettier when you're hydrated.
Yeah, I was really thirsty.
Watch an ice melt.
Okay, we didn't find any mines, obviously. I don't even think we were close to finding any mines.
There was a mine.
There had to have been.
The government said so.
Yeah, we all trust the science. But we're sore. We did a 13.73 miles.
New record.
Yeah, I think that's a record. 2,589 feet of elevation gain. So, it's quite a ways. Almost 14
Probably
miles.
got Giardia from the mountain
Yeah, we might
water.
have, but you know what? It was freaking worth it.
It was worth it.
Ah, it's good water. Yeah, I don't know what we're going to do about that water situation. Start packing around a filter, I guess, but good hike. Hit the like, subscribe, comment, share, blah, blah, blah. I'm tired, but I do mean do it. Do it, do it, do it. Okay, bye.